Creating a professional Excel dashboard usually takes hours. Cleaning data, deciding KPIs, designing charts, and formatting everything. But what if I could tell you that AI can help you to build this type of dashboard in minutes? In this video, I will show you complete AI-powered workflow where I could use AI and ChatGPT together to transform raw sales data into fully interactive and Excel dashboard. Before we start, let me show you how the final result will look like. Here is the complete sales dashboard. At this top, we have a key performance indicators, total sales, total profit, number of orders, and other important business metrics. Then we have sales performance by department, category, and finally the monthly sales trends. The interesting part is how we created it using AI. Step 1, let's start with our raw data. This dataset contains sales information like products, department, categories, sales values, dates, and other business fields. We are going to use AI as our dashboard assistant. Step number 2, using Claude to convert existing prompt. Now here is an important AI skill that many people ignore. You don't always need to create prompt from scratch. You can take an existing dashboard prompt or an existing video idea and customize it according to your own data. Here, I have attached another dashboard prompt to Claude, but this prompt was created for different datasets. So I will ask Claude, analyze this dashboard requirements and rewrite the prompt according to the sales data structure. Claude now studies an existing dashboard layout and available columns and the business requirements, then creates a revised prompt specifically as per my dataset. Now my customized prompt is ready. The next step is very simple. I open new ChatGPT conversation, I upload my sales dataset and revise dashboard prompt generated by Claude. Then I'll ask ChatGPT create the Excel dashboard according to the requirements. Now look at this. Within few moments, ChatGPT generated a complete dashboard structure and a downloadable file. Now let's explore the dashboard. At the top, we have key KPIs, then given an instant business insight, how much revenue we generated, and overall performance, and unimportant sales indicators. Scrolling down, we have sales by department, and that helps you to understand the department contributing to the revenue. Now you can identify which categories are performing well and which areas need your immediate attention. And finally, we have monthly sales trends that allows you to understand growth patterns, seasonality, and monthly performance changes. The biggest lesson from the video is not just creating a dashboard. This real skill is learning how to communicate with AI. Instead of asking creating a dashboard, you need to provide your data, your objective, your business requirement, and your dataset outputs. This is how you can generate a professional AI results. AI is not replacing your skills, it is helping you to build faster and smarter. If you found this workflow useful, subscribe me for more Excel and AI automation tutorials. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.